Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use the QR code feature on Instagram.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Instagram has introduced the QR codes for their users. Now users can generate QR codes, which is a special image that people can scan in person, to instantly go to your Instagram page and follow you. Watch this full video to learn how to use QR code on Instagram. Make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed. To begin, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile, from the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon, in the top right corner. Here you will find the new feature, QR code. Tap on it. Your QR code will appear on the screen. You will get several options for your QR code. Tap on the color option above the QR code, to change it to emoji background from color background. You can change the emoji by tapping on the screen. Now choose any emoji for your background. You can also set your own face as emoji. For this, tap on the emoji button from the top. Set your face on the oval, and you can change the sticker by tapping on it. Then press the camera icon to shoot. And you can see, your selfie is set on the background. You can retake this if you want. Now tap on the selfie button from the top. This will bring the default color background. You can change the background color by tapping anywhere on the screen. After selecting your QR code, you can share it to any social networking platform, via tapping on the share button above. If you want to scan other people's QR code, you can tap Scan QR code from the bottom and go ahead. So basically, that's all the thing you need to know about using the QR codes on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.